Okay, let's get started. Hi, I'm Bill and welcome to the channel. In this video, it's a follow-up to my last video where I was kind of goofing around about how bad I wanted the Fuji 90mm f2 lens. I mentioned gear acquisition syndrome, and all I could think about was buying that lens, but then I made a decision not to get that lens, and then I teased that I had purchased something else. And so I'm going to show you that something else. But first, if you've been following the channel, you know I shoot Fuji. I have the X-T1, and I have the X-T4, and both good cameras. X-T4, I purchased. Lori and I had a YouTube channel called 12th Avenue Cuisine, and I bought the X-T4 so I could do video. I did a couple of videos using the X-T4. The video quality was great, but really the channel was, up until then, I was using 3 GoPros to give various perspectives of the pizza ovens and Lori making the pizzas and all that jazz. So really good. So I decided just to go forward with the GoPros. This kind of sat and got some dust. But what I did buy instead of the lens is the Fuji X-H2S. So in future videos, I'll be sharing with you how I'm going about configuring this camera. It's a hybrid camera. The sensors are backside illuminated. It's a stacked sensor. And what that really means is the data on the sensor is really read out fast. So, it also has 7 custom settings that I can set up for stills, video at different frame rates, and those type of things. So I've got a lot to learn on how to set up these various custom settings to my preferences. I am going to mimic what this one photographer on YouTube, his settings, and when I get going down that road, I'll share who that is and what the settings are and those type of things. But I just kind of wanted to close out the last video where I was kind of teasing that, yeah, I didn't buy the lens, but I bought something else, and this is it. And first impressions, I've taken a couple of snapshots out in the backyard, and I really like this bump out here. Fits my hand very well and everything. I generally work with a wrist strap, so the build quality looks pretty good, and I'm just kind of excited to get to start to use it, doing some photo walks here and those type of things. So again, the Fuji X-H2S, I am now an owner. What we'll do is I'm going to sell the XT1 to KEH. Already got a quote from them. And then Lori will be the shooter shooting the XT4 going forward. So, all right. Thanks for dropping into the channel. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I'm doing and the photo walks that I'll be creating using this camera, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That'd be greatly appreciated. And other than that, thanks for dropping in. See you next time.